Ollie, did you say hello to the camera? He's like, maybe I did. Hey everyone, Happy New Year's. This is my cat Oliver. We are here to do a little report. No, really, he's ready to go. Ready to go, buddy. Okay, guys, welcome in. We are gonna talk really quickly about the new listings that we have here. I'm gonna start off the first news is Dungeons and Dragons. So we're gonna talk about how Dungeons and Dragons is most likely gonna have a walkthrough at Universal Fan Fest at 2024 at Universal Studios Hollywood. We have a new listing where they talk about a walkthrough experience. They are hiring someone to be a high elf, a dwarf bard, so someone's gonna be playing some Luke, a little bit of music, and then a Tiefling fighter. Tieflings are awesome. They're like demon guys from Dungeons and Dragons. Very awesome. Love to play them in like Baldur's Gate and stuff like that. They're gonna have to do a set where they do like talking and all of that stuff. They're gonna have to do a lot of acting and improving, and it's going to be a walkthrough most likely. And the last one is, I'm gonna say his name wrong, Zenar, oh my god, Zaynatha, the Beholder. Now, here's the thing. I might be saying his name completely wrong, but I've seen this guy a billion times. This is like this one-eyed monster that kind of looks like a monster from Doom. And this one's going to be a puppet that someone's going to be operating. And yeah, once again, it's 45-minute sets. These are for something similar probably to HHN, but instead of HHN, you'll be walking through maybe a forest or some sort of area that looks like it's from Dungeons and Dragons. So that's our first kind of stuff. And they are looking for both men and women. So you might want to go look at the Universal hiring websites if you're an actor right now, because that's it. Now, let's move to our second bit of news, everyone. This one's really exciting because I'm a One Piece fan. So what they're going to be looking for, which is actually this Wednesday, the 8th, it says, oh, a week from now. Okay, so next week, they are looking for 5 performers, everyone. Nami at 5'5", Luffy at 5'7", Usopp at 5'7". Interesting. I know Usopp, I always think of Usopp smaller, but, oh, I guess he's as small as Luffy. But Sanji, 5'9", and then we got Zoro, our swords master, my favorite character in the show. He is 5'9" as well. And these ones are going to be a script in improv. Now, it does also say interaction skills required, so I'm not sure if this is just gonna be, oh, they says strolling characters. So I wonder if that just means that they're gonna be walking around the park, or if they're going to be, so these are either gonna be characters that are walking around the park, or these are characters that are going to be at an area that you can take a picture with. I kind of thought we were getting a One Piece show when I first read this, because this is 45-minute sets, but then so is the other one. So I think there could be a show, but like we're not sure yet what this one's going to be. So I'm gonna put a question mark, guys. But let me know what you guys think from these listings, what you get. Do you think these are just like, is there going to be a One Piece show? Because that was the biggest thing that we were kind of wondering is, would they put a One Piece show in Waterwood like they do over in Japan? I would think it's not Waterwood in Japan, but they have a water show over there. So yeah, that's our news right now. We are 100% now confirmed on what One Piece characters will be coming to the park, along with some Dungeons and Dragons characters. So leave a comment below. Happy New Year's. Welcome to 2025. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know. Until next time, safe journeys, and I'll be live soon.